Hello everyone. Today we will go through the second chapter, the magic garden. In this video we will discuss the question answers of this chapter also. Okay? So the chapter is Magic Garden. The Magic Garden. First I will read the page or read the whole paragraph, and after that we will discuss the summary or explanation of this chapter. The Magic Garden. The Magic Garden was in a school playground. It was pretty. Sunflowers and roses stood high against the wall. There were also marigolds, poppies, and pansies. The sunshine fell on this garden more than on any other, and the flowers danced and sang happily. They said to one another, "We have hundreds of little gardeners." They were the children from the school. One sunny morning, the flowers were talking to the birds. "I love all the children, but I love the dear little ones most of all," said a poppy. "I like them to bring their watering cans and water my thirsty roots." In this page, in this first page of the Magic Garden, it is explained that there is a garden which was called as Magic Garden in a school playground. Everyone have a school playground. In every school someone have a small playground or big playground, but in this school a garden is there also in playground. It was very beautiful, full of flowers, and so many trees. That's why there are so many birds are also there, and sunshine fell on this garden more than any other places. Okay, so in this page here in second paragraph, it is said that uh, birds and flowers were talking. They are talking to with each other and said, "I love all the children." Means here a flower is saying that the flower is saying that I love all the children, but I love the little ones. Means the juniors ones, who will bring the watering cans and waters them. Okay, means the children give them water, or give them water for their roots, for growing them. "Yes," said the marigolds, "the boys are good to us too. They dig the ground so well." Now Marigold Flower said, "Yes, the boys are very good to us. They dig the ground as well. As we all know that for growing the plants, we have to work hard. We have to give them water and some other things, for they need sunshines and all things. So the boys dig the ground so well." "We love the little children," said a tiny bird. "They are kind and they bring bread for us." All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty, for the children will be here soon." Means here a small bird, a tiny bird is saying that we love the little children. हम लोग सभी छोटे बच्चों को बहुत प्यार करते हैं. They are kind and they bring bread for us. They are very kind, polite, and they are very polite and they bring bread, means food for us, for the birds. All the flowers said, "We must work hard to make our dresses very pretty for children." Means they are saying that, the flowers are saying that we have to work hard and make our dresses, means make ourselves very pretty. Means flowers become so, flowers wants to become very beautiful, because children will be here soon. Means children are coming and we have to look very nice. The sun said, I will help you also, for nothing pleases me better than to see the children running about in the golden sunshine. Here son also said that I will help you, means he will help the flowers to make the dresses, very pretty dresses, because he also feel better when children running in the golden sunshine. Suddenly the children came out laughing and singing, and the flowers stopped their songs to listen to them. Now, suddenly means achanak se, the children came out laughing and singing. The childrens are coming together, laughing and singing. So the flowers stopped their talking and started listening them. Oh, look at the tall sunflower, said one child, and Sunflower lifted its head very proudly. Now, one child has said, look at that tall sunflower. Tall here, it's just adjective and it's explaining about the sunflower. So, sunflower lifted its head, means उसने अपना सर proudly ऊंचाई उठा लिया, lifted its head very proudly. Another child said, I love the marigold in its golden dress. The marigold smiled happily. Another child said, I love the marigold, the second flower. Second student said that he loved the marigold in golden dress. Marigold in golden dress means the marigold is in color of yellow or golden. That after listening about his feature, marigold smiled happily. It was indeed a magic garden because it had fairies too. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. It was called as a magic garden, or it was supposed as a magic garden because it had fairies too. Means here fairies are also living. They danced and sang sweet songs which only the children could hear. No elder one can hear, only children could hear. After a time, the fairies came out dancing and talked with the children. Their dresses were made of flowers and their wings of sunshine. After some times, or fairies came out in the front of children and they danced and talked with the children. The magic garden was quiet that night. The flowers and birds were asleep and dreaming of next day when the children would come again. Means the school is over now and children has gone at their home, and so now garden was quiet and that night. Now flowers and birds were sleeping and dreaming for the next day. They are thinking about the next day, that students will come on the next day. This story is adapted from the Fairy Garden by Margaret H. Bolton. Here is a small summary for in a 5 lines. There was a magic garden in a school playground. It was a pretty. There were many flowers like sunflower, roses, marigolds, poppies, and pansies. Children came to the garden daily and watered them. All the flowers talked to each other and appreciated the innocent and helping nature of a child. It was a magical garden as it had fairies too. Word meaning: magic. Magic means tricks that seems to be impossible. These are the tricks which seem to be impossible. Means ये impossible सा हो कि हो भी नहीं सकता, ऐसी कोई चीज़ होना मैजिक होता है. Garden, a piece of a ground for growing vegetables, fruits and flowers. Gardeners, someone who takes care of a garden. Sunshine, direct sunlight. Dreaming, thought and images that come in your mind when you are in sleep. Golden, shining like a gold. Now here is the question answers. Okay, reading is fun. Question 1. Why did the flowers love the little children? Answer. The flowers loved the little children because the little children used to take care of them. They used to water their thirsty roots and dig the ground well. Question number 2. Why did the birds love the children? Answer. The birds loved the children because the children used to bring bread for them. Question number 3. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Answer. Sunflowers, marigolds, pansies, poppies and roses. Question number 4. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? Answer. The children could hear the fairies sing songs in the garden. Imagine you have a big garden. What would it look like? You can answer it by your own, but I have given some points. My garden will look very beautiful. It will have several flowers, roses, marigolds, sunflowers, hibiscus, dahlias, pansies, jasmine, etc. It will have trees laden with fruits, apples, mangoes, guavas, pomegranates, etc. It will be very clean and full of greenery. What would you like to grow in your garden? Write 3 sentences giving the names of the flowers that you might like to grow in your garden. In my garden, I would like to grow roses. In my garden, I would like to grow sunflowers. In my garden, I would like to grow daisies. So the chapter ends here. If there is any doubt, you can ask me or you can message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.